Hey, what's up, Holochain coin holders? After a very long time, Holochain is completely go to the moon and wake up after a very bad fail. So that's a very great news, my friend, and absolutely, my friend. Today I just generally check out, my friends, the Holochain condition. So I found, my friends, something very special from Holochain. You know, in upcoming days, my friends, the really huge pumps, huge jumps is coming soon. And why I tell you this, because my brother, I personally predicate this coin, and definitely, my friend, I found this to in upcoming days the Holochain price will completely, my friend, easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar, very fastly increasing in upcoming days, my friend, the Holochain price. So my personal experience, my personal advice, everything I'm going to share now. But please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel, because my brother, if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to keep touch with us, my friend. So subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. Plus 3.98%. The Holochain price will increase. Be focused, my friend. What I tell you, this is very important. My friends, this is temporary firm. Remember, after a huge fails, Holochain will get a pump. So definitely this is temporary, because after a pump, absolutely every coin will fail down. So therefore, I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the Holochain condition is going good. But don't panic, my friend. If they were failed also down, so this is just not mean you are starting selling. Be focused. First of all, my friend, if you are starting investing, then please, this is very important for all of you to know about that. My friend, absolutely, if they were fails down, so I hope to after a fails they will take a huge jump. So therefore, you will need to, if they were fails down, this does not mean you are starting selling. Currently, you will need to wait and just only hold it. If you are starting holding, so I hope, my friends, today will give you a very good profit. And if you are starting selling, then remember, you will never get a profit, and you are very bad defense down. So hope you understand, Holochain coin holders. My personal experience I already shared now, and my prediction is 100% positive, because I already predicted the coin. So therefore, I don't want to waste your time. Please, my friend, my personal opinion for all of you to please hold. And what's your opinion? Share in the comment box. And my prediction is 100% going positive. I hope in upcoming time the Holochain price will more increasing. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Allah Hafiz.